Okay, this is my 2011 Chevy Malibu. I have this front end clunk. I think it's in the steering column, but here's the noise. Right there. Right there. So it does it when I'm just driving down the road and with very little bumps, but same thing, I can move the steering wheel. Hear that? I'm barely moving the steering wheel. Not moving. That's what I hear. So I'm told it's in the steering column, and there's a bulletin 15356. And if you have a Malibu, GM has extended the warranty 10 years, 150,000 miles. I haven't read the bulletin yet, but I called the dealership and I'll see what happens. I'm out of warranty by like 6 weeks or something like that by time. Hope this helps.